Hi, I'm Bill Balcer, Paul's Photo in the Creative Photo Academy, and I teach their intermediate flash class. Ever wonder why some people can take pictures and their subjects are always perfectly lit? Ever wonder how to take pictures where you've got a person wearing a hat, but you've got even light that's under their face and the face is not too dark? Are you concerned about taking flash pictures, but you're worried about how much math is involved? Go ahead and take our class, because I teach this class in Learn by Doing environment. There's very little math involved, but I do want you to understand the relationships that happen with the light and as the light drops off, otherwise known as the inverse square law. In the 4-class session, you're going to learn the basic terminology. You're going to learn the basic tools of the trade that we do in Flash. You're also going to learn that using a Speedlight and using a strobe, they're not that expensive. You're going to learn how to incorporate various colors of light, diffuse light, and you're also going to learn how to be able to use fill-in flash. Now, whether you're going to be indoors or whether you're going to be outdoors, we want you to be able to control the amount of light that's on someone's face and the amount of shadow that's on their face, or maybe you want to have somebody that's evenly lit or full light coming across somebody's face. There's advantages and disadvantages of both. So my name is Bill Balcer, Paul's Photo in the Creative Photo Academy. Looking forward to seeing you soon.